Baby Signs presents My Park Signs, starring the Baby Signs monkeys, Bebo the Baby Signs bear, and the Diaper Doodles.
Hello, says our friend Bebo. He wants to sign with you. He'll teach you signs for at the park. That's what he will do. Oh, look, it's baby Suki. What can Suki do? She can do the sign for ball. That's what she can do. Baby Sunshine sees a flower. Songbird sees a tree. Squiggles knows the butterfly sign. That's what he wants to see. And here comes Baby Scooter. Why, yes, he's signing too. He'll teach you to do the sign for slide. Yes, that's what he'll do. Sunshine knows the sign for swing. Songbird knows it too. So when you're playing at the park, these signs can help you too. So look for our friend Bebo. He'll show you what to do. Just like the Diaper Doodles, you'll soon be signing too.
Tree. Tree. Hi, Squiggles. Squiggles is drawing a tree. 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 This is the sign for tree. Let's all sign tree. 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 Tree.